What if Mercury was replaced by a mega-Earth, a rocky planet 10 times bigger than Earth? Well, things would get wild, really fast. Mercury may be small, but it plays an important role in keeping our solar system balanced. If we suddenly swapped it with a super heavy planet, its strong gravity would start pulling on nearby planets, especially Venus. That could slowly mess with the orbits of not just Venus, but even Earth and Mars over time. Everything would shift, and not in a good way. Being so close to the Sun, this mega-Earth would get blasted with extreme heat and radiation. It wouldn't be habitable. The surface would probably melt, and the atmosphere would get blown away. And here's the craziest part. Its gravity might even make the Sun wobble slightly. That could throw off the balance of the entire solar system. So, yeah, Mercury being small is actually a good thing. Be glad it's not a giant troublemaker.